YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something a little bit different. It is yarn and crochet related, but it's not a crochet video and there's no yarn. But I was super excited to receive a ton of posts all at once from Lana Bou. Make sure I'm showing you this correctly. From Lana Bou's shop. She has a shop on Etsy and she makes the best stuff for knitters and crocheters. So if you are thinking about gifts for other people, or do you buy someone that crochets, or if like me, you just want to treat yourself, because that's how selfish I am. And then yeah, you can check her out and see all the cool things that she has. Like I said, she has knitting and crochet related sort of gift stuff that she makes. It's all awesome. And I haven't looked inside. All I've done is scribble out the addresses. So for her privacy, I've blanked everything out, but I haven't opened it yet. And I thought you might want to share this moment with me. This could be a really boring video, I don't know, but I'm excited. I've been waiting about an hour just looking at these parcels. So let's get on with it. I don't know what's in which. I know what's in this one. And also, slight confession, I maybe went shopping on Etsy late at night and can't actually fully remember what I ordered. Does anybody else ever do that? Like, surprise shopping arrives. Anyway, I was tempted to have a look at my Etsy purchase history to see what it was that was in these parcels, but I thought that would ruin the surprise. So this is a surprise for me, some of these things, because I genuinely can't remember everything I ordered. I know some of the bits. So let's crack on and let's go with the little yellow Happy Post parcel first. I don't know if I can get in. I do have some scissors on standby. Just, oh. How cool is this bag, by the way? Such a little ray of sunshine to fall through my letterbox, or rather have the postman knock on the door and hand it to me and the dogs bark during a crochet video. So yeah, that was all time. Ooh, can you see what I can see? Exciting things are in here. First off, yes, proper sweets. Do you know a random fact? I actually have an air freshener in my car that is a giant refreshers thing. It doesn't smell anymore, but it just hangs from my rear view mirror, because I am one of those people that has a collection of air fresheners hanging from my car. Anyway, that's got nothing to do with this. Got some sweets. What else is in here? Oh, look, this is sweet. These are little freebies that have been included. At least I think they are. I'm fairly sure I didn't buy this. And she is totally right. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy yarn, which is great. I shall put that probably by my husband's bedside to remind him, so he can see what truly makes me happy. So he won't complain whenever yarn comes through the post. Oh, hello. I've got a big sticker as well. Hell to the yes. This is my team. What can I stick this on? Maybe, I might stick this on my car. I'm going to stick this on my car. Why not? It can join my refresher air fresheners. And I got something else in here, which is super cute. How nice is her packaging and all her happy stickers, by the way? It's super duper cute. Oh, look, yeah, I remember buying these now. These are cool little stitch markers that you can put in your project, which tell you which size hook you used. These are going to be a godsend for me. I currently have a lot of stuff on the go. Actually, it's not current. I always have a lot of stuff on the go. And more often than not, if it's something I'm returning to, I'm not an organized person at all. I have to look through my photos to see if I can find a photo of my like work in progress with my crochet hook in it, so I can remember what size. So I was obviously being very practical when I ordered these, but these are going to be so handy. And I like that they have the half sizes too. So ace. Thank you, Lana Bou. That's amazing. All right, next parcel. Let's have a look. Let me move these out of the way. It's like Christmas a little bit. Surprise gift. All right, I got a shiny purple bad boy now. There's something in it. Oh, wait, I think I know what this is. I might need scissors for this one. Oh no, I'm just going to use my big muscles. Oh, or just tearing ability, I don't know. Not really muscles involved. I'm a bit overexcited and giddy, can you tell? Oh my word. Look at all the exciting things in here. More little freebies. This is amazing. Oh, some printy bits. Oh my god. Look at that happy yarn ball. Can you see him? How cute he is. So this is actually great. This is a little sort of snapshot of her Etsy shop. I will, of course, link below. I probably should have mentioned that she didn't pay me for this. I bought all this myself. I messaged her on Instagram to see if she'd mind me doing this unboxing. I don't even think she's read the message. So if this is uploaded and you're watching it now, it means that she was like, yes, awesome, great, thanks. Upload it, that'll be amazing. So at the moment, this current moment in time, she has no idea I'm even doing this. So there are like loads of, oh, hello, the woolmonty.co, oh, a yarn show. Shame I live nowhere near Sheffield, but that's a very pretty leaflet anyway. I do like extra bits and bobs. Fibre East, again, nowhere near Bedfordshire. But hey, if any of you are in Sheffield or Bedfordshire, check out these yarn shows, I guess. But yeah, so Lana Bou shop, amazing, thank you. I think I might have seen my invoice in here, so let me just squirrel that away quickly because we need to get rid of that before the husband comes home more than anything else. Make sure it's got none of my oh, it's got my address all over it, so hold on. Right, I've got more little freebie bits and bobs. How nice is this to be getting all these little like extra bits so far? It's just one thing I've actually paid for. Everything else is just like little extra bits. It's re-sticking. Oh, more. Squish more yarn. Yes, life motto. Amazing. Little business card. I got a pen here because I'm always using my pen, and I figured this one was very appropriate. It's girly pink. It has got so much truth written on the side, and this will now become my scribbling pen for noting down things, because I'm always stealing pens from work, such as this is not my pen. This belongs to my workplace. I can return it now because I have a pink Yarny pen, which is amazing. I've got something cute in here. I got a little enamel pin badge with Team Crochet because I can't knit very well at all. You can get team knit ones. Team knit, team knitting. I'm not sure, I can't remember. Team knit, team knitting, does it show me on here? Team knit. So if you're a knitter, you can hook yourself up with one of these amazing little pin badges. This will, oh, pins are very sharp. That warning is for people like me. So this is probably gonna go on a project bag, or maybe my coat, or maybe my handbag. I don't know, where do people put pins? I feel like that's a cool, young, hip person thing to do, and I am none of those things. And, oh, more sweets, more sweets. A snap and crackle. Do you know I've never had a snap and crackle? That will be an experience for me. But this is the one that I am excited about. It is, oh, more sweets, hold on. There's more sweets in here before I get rid of this. Some little fizzers. All right, let's move this out of the way because it's very shiny and distracting. Now, you may have noticed, I do love a good mustard yellow. Now, this is making my jumper look almost quite orange compared to this, but I've got this really cool tote bag, which I thought would be great for storing my projects in and all my works in progress, because my husband is sick of everything being scattered across my sofa. But how cool is this tote bag? It's amazing. It's really big as well. You can get loads in here. Loads. These come in a whole load of different colours, but yeah, it's nice to have yet another bag to hide my stuff in. Hide my shame. Hide my shame. Right, do you know what? I'm going to use it right now, and I'm going to put all these bits and bobs so I don't lose them, all the bits. gonna pop them in here. I'm definitely putting that sticker on my car. Let's put all these bits and bobs away because I want to get to this box over here. Oops. Right. Who can guess? Who wants to guess what's in here? Oh, my bag's gone everywhere. Hint, I'm currently boiling my kettle for this. I can't get in. Let me in. All right, I'm in. I think this mug will resonate with every single one of you watching right now. So I feel that if you do not want to buy this mug for yourself, then you need to point someone in the direction of it so you can have it bought for you as a gift, because I think that's fairly appropriate. Buying yarn is my superpower. Right, I am off to make a cup of tea in my, oh, it's on both sides. Hey, that's good because I'm left-handed. So I know I crochet with my right hand, but it means that when I hold a mug, if it's only printed on one side, it's facing me. So people just see a blank mug. So it's, you know, because all mugs are designed for all you righties out there. So it's really nice to have it on both sides. So everyone can see, no matter which hand I pick up my mug with, that buying yarn is my superpower. So I'm off to make a quick cup of tea. I will be right back. Okay, so I panicked. I made like quite a milky coffee instead because I'm English and we all judge each other on cups of tea in this country. Like, I couldn't handle the pressure of what colour my tea was going to come out. So I made a coffee. So I'm going to go ahead and drink my coffee out of my brand new mug from Lana Bou shop. I just want to say a massive thank you to Kate for allowing me to upload this video and basically shout about how awesome she is. I will leave all the links in the description box below so that you can go and treat yourself or someone else special to you as well. So Lana Bou shop, she's awesome. Pretty, shiny, crafty things. I think that says it all really. Until next time.